Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn polar curves, one important concept that is nothing but what? Pedal equation. How to form the pedal equation. So one equation will be given polar curve. So we have to form the pedal equation for the particular polar curve. So what is the steps? First we'll discuss the steps quickly. So let us see. So R will be given in the question. One polar curve will be given in the question. You can observe R is given. Some equation. It will be a function of theta. Yes, it is a function of theta. Okay. From this you have to get the value of phi. You have to get the value of phi. So how to get the value of phi? By taking log, then differentiating. We have done that all the steps, right? Phi is nothing but the angle between radius vector and the tangent of a particular curve. After getting phi, we'll discuss how to get the phi value. Okay. Now, after getting phi, we have to write in this form. P is equal to R sine phi. Simple. This phi you have to write it over here in this form. Then, after that, what you have to do? This question, this form, and the question itself, these two equations. Okay, these two equations. From that, you have to eliminate the value of theta. Simple. Eliminate the value of theta. Somehow we'll learn how to eliminate the value of theta. After eliminating the value of theta, you will be getting the equation in P and R only. P and you will be getting the equation in what form? P and R. Theta won't be there. Understand? Theta won't be there. So what is the first step we have to do? The question will be given. Find the value of phi. Put it in this form. Then question itself. Both you have to eliminate what by using both the equation you have to eliminate theta value. You'll be getting P and R. P and R. That is nothing but pedal equation. Let us try to understand by doing the solving the particular this question. So as I said, what is the first step? We have to find the value of phi. So we have to first do taking log on both sides. So it will be log of 2a by r equal to log of 1 plus cos theta. Simple. Now we have to see whether we can apply any logarithmic function to simplify this particular question. Yes, it is possible. Here we can apply one formula. Log m by n or a by b, whatever you study, is equal to log m minus log n. So this particular property can be applied over here, right? So this can be written as log 2a minus log r is equal to log of 1 plus cos theta. We have to go for the next important step, that is to differentiate. So differentiating the equation, above equation, with respect to what? Theta. Very important step with respect to theta. Now we'll start from here. Log 2a. As we know that 2a is a constant value. So the differentiation of a constant is always 0. So we cannot consider 1 by 2 and all. Don't write 1 by 2 and come. Okay. So we have to consider it as 0. Minus. Log r differentiation. As we know, the differentiation of, we have studied these properties, right? Differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. That is with respect to x, with respect to x, but here it is theta. So what you are going to do, again you are going to differentiate this particular r with respect to theta. Very important step. Is equal to, now log of something, as we have discussed, if x is there, so this is x, so it will be 1 by x, so 1 by 1 plus cos theta. Very simple. But I have something else. I don't have x. I have something else in place of x. So again you have to differentiate 1 plus cos theta. So 1 differentiation is 0. Cos theta differentiation is what? Minus sin theta. So you can write it as minus sin theta. Very simple. Chain rule we are applying. So this can be simplified as 1 minus 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Simple. Minus sign can be cancelled, right? And remember from here, this particular thing, 1 by r dr by d theta can be written as what? 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to cot phi. Remember always. Okay, so after writing the 1 by r dr by dθ can be written as cot phi. From this only we can get the value of phi equal to sine theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now the problem here is that we are having phi here. How to find get the value of phi? If we are having on RHS tan or cot, it will be quite easy, right? It will be easy because cot and tan directly we can, because reciprocal thing, directly we can cancel and get the value of phi. So we have to bring the RHS part into in which form? Cot or tan form. We'll try to analyze that. So here sine theta can be written as 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, this is how we have to do. Now how we got this? That is the important question, right? How we are getting this? See, try to analyze. We'll start with sine theta. We know that sine 2 theta formula, sine 2 the sine 2x, whatever you have studied, it is 2 sine theta into cos theta. If I want to write from this only sine theta, so I can divide the angle by 2, right? Angle by 2. So everywhere angle by 2 I have to divide. See, there is a difference between dividing the whole equation by 2 and angle by 2. I am dividing the angle sine theta, that angle by 2 I am dividing. So it will become sine theta is equal to 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. This is how I have got this particular numerator. Next, denominator, if you observe, 1 plus cos theta. So if you remember the formula, cos 2 theta is equal to, in terms of, there are three important formulas. In that, in terms of cos theta, what formula we are having? 2 cos square theta minus 1. So what happens if I bring this minus 1 this side? It will become 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Simple. If I want 1 plus cos theta, divide the angle by 2. Divide the angle. So this and this gone. So what is remaining? 1 plus cos theta. So what is remaining? 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. That's what I have written over here. Okay, this is how I have simplified. So what is the benefit of doing this? So try to analyze. From here 2 cancel. Cos theta by 2 and 1 cos theta by 2 cancel. So what is remaining? Sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. So cot phi is equal to, I am getting sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. What is sin by cos? Tan. So I can write tan theta by 2. Simple. After getting this, but if I am getting cot, I can cancel. How to convert tan to cot? You have to just write 90 minus theta. So cot 90, which is pi by 2, minus theta, theta means this is theta, will give you tan. See which formula we are applying? Try to analyze here. So we are applying here the formula of what? Tan theta, or in other words, cot 90 minus theta, or I can write pi by 2 leave. 90 minus theta is nothing but tan theta. So if I want tan theta converting into cot, I have to write cot 90 minus theta. That's what I have written. Now from this cot and cot gone will be gone. So what is remaining? Phi. So phi is equal to what? Pi by 2 minus theta by 2. I got pi by 2 minus theta by 2. After this, we got the first step, which is phi. Now, as I said before, we have to substitute this particular thing in this equation p. P is equal to r sine phi. So this phi value I'll substitute here. It will form an equation r sine pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Now what is sine 90 minus theta? It is cos theta. So sine 90 minus theta, so it will be r cos theta. Very important. Which formula am I applying? Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this formulas you try to analyze. Okay. I'll name it as first equation. So what equation we got? R P is equal to R cos theta by 2. So I'll take it as first equation. So 2a by R is equal to 1 plus cos theta. This was the question. So polar curve which was given. So this is second equation. Both the equation, from this I have to eliminate what? Theta value. So eliminate theta from both 1 and 2, so that we'll be getting one equation of P and R. Now how to eliminate, that is our first and foremost question. Either you can substitute here R value in P equation, like that also you can try, or otherwise we'll simplify this. So we'll take second equation. So from second, 2a by R is equal to 1 plus cos theta is the equation, right? Can I write 1 plus cos theta as what? 2 cos square theta by 2. Just now we wrote, right? 2 cos square theta by 2. What is the benefit of writing this? Because here also cos theta by 2 is sitting. Here also we can bring cos square theta by 2. Similar one. So we are trying to analyze that. So here we got this part. 2 and 2 will be gone. So what is remaining? A by R is equal to cos square theta by 2. So what we are going to do, A by R one equation I got. So from the first equation, from first what I'm going to do, see here, from first, P is equal to R cos theta by 2. From this I can write it as P by R is equal to cos theta by 2. If I square this on both sides, it will be P by R square, okay, P by R square is equal to cos square theta by 2, because this equation and this equation will be exactly same, right? So second equation and first equation, this is first equation, this is second equation, I have simplified. Now cos square theta by 2, cos square theta by 2 same, therefore the LHS part also will be same. So you can write from 1 and 2, A by R is equal to P by R the whole square. Simple. From this I can get, from this you can rewrite this particular thing as P square by R square. So from 1R and 1R gone. So just cross multiply. AR is equal to P square, or in other words P square is equal to AR. So we have got one equation which contains only P and R. A is just a constant, that is fine. But theta I have to avoid. Okay, all the trigonometric function theta value I have to avoid. I have to get one P and R form. This is nothing but the given curve pedal equation. The only difficulty part is after getting 5 values, these two equations you have to eliminate. That's what you have to study. Other thing is rest you have already done many questions how to find 5 values. After that we will be getting two equations you have to solve. That is the main important step.